accommodate the chat. What we're about to do now is about to show you how we do the backflip over here in Tonga. So y'all better look and recognize how we do it, how we get down. Tonga Street Boys for life, man. It's Billy Crew. What's up to the foolish? Check it out. Richie Rich about to show you. All done.
Yeah, baby, come on, yeah.
You see all that? Get on that? That's how we get down over here. Tonga Street Boys, Speedy Crew.
Hey, your name, yeah, nigga.